Assalamualaikum. Here students, today we are going to start question number 3 of exercise 1.3. Question is, if A is equal to this, B is equal to this, C is equal to this matrix and D is equal to this matrix, then we have to find A plus this matrix, B plus this one, C plus that one. So we start it with A. As we know, A is equal to -1, 2 and 1. It is plus as we add A in 1, 1, 1 and 1. We know that we can add two matrices having same order. These two, both of them have same order 2 by 2. We can add it by adding their corresponding elements. So for this we use -1, then +1, 2 plus 1, 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1, sorry, it has sign plus, and 1 plus 1. So the answer becomes -1 plus 1, 0, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, and 1 plus 1, 2. It is the answer of A plus this matrix. Same we have to do it with B, as it has order 2 by 1. For B, we know that B is equal to 1 minus 1. It also have order 2 by 1. To add it in matrix -2, 3, we use the addition method to add corresponding entries into each other. For this, we use 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 3. We can also write it by this way: 1 plus -2 and then -1 plus 3. So it becomes 1 minus 2 and -1 plus 3. The answer of this question becomes 1 minus 2 becomes -1 and -1 plus 3 becomes +2. So it is equal to -1, 1 minus 2, -1, -1 plus 3 becomes 2, which is the answer of B plus -2, 3 matrix. Same here for 3, it has, as C has order 1 by 3 and matrix added into it have order 1 by 3. So we can write it as C is equal to 1 minus 1, 2 plus this matrix -2, 1 and 3. To add them, we use addition method by adding corresponding entries into each other. 1 minus 2, -1 plus 1 and 2 plus 3. So it becomes -1 plus 1, 0 and 2 plus 3, 5. That is the answer of this question.